LJ's TV, we still at Berman Stadium on this beautiful Saturday. I'm here with Coach Erica, the Bonja cheer team coach. Coach, first of all, thank you for spending our time with us. Your cheerleaders worked extremely hard today. Kind of explain, how do you feel giving back to the community through being a cheer coach?
It's absolutely wonderful, simply because we don't have enough people giving back to our young people, and it's time for us to really instill value the way it was instilled in us, so that we can have a generation that can lead. So I want to help make sure that we can prepare them to lead for the future.
Coach, kind of talk to me about what you said about just now, about being a mentor in the community and kind of leading the kids in the future. Kind of talk to us about that, and how does it, it's so important to you. Kind of tell us every day the struggle it is to go out there and deal with your parents, deal with your kids, but still be able to maintain your household and your job and your life.
Oh boy, you said a mouthful. It's definitely a challenge, you know. You get up in the morning, you're getting your kids together, you get them out to school, you come home, you have to do homework, you have to get to the park. And it's such a commitment, and oftentimes people don't understand the level of commitment that is. And of course, we may want to watch a Saints game, but my commitment was, I'm going to do this for this season, or I'm going to do this for this park, I'm going to do it for the year.
That's right.
And so that commitment really, it supersedes my wanting to get and to do whatever it is that I want to do.
Right.
So, you know, it's a job, it's a task, but it's something that I signed up for, because if we don't prepare a generation to lead when we're older and we can't lead, then we can't blame ourselves. So that's a fearful thing for me. Like, who's going to lead when I need that?
Right.
So, you know, that gives me the motivation to keep doing it.
Right. Last question, Coach. I see you with your breast cancer shirt on. Let me know, are you a survivor, or you know anyone that may be a survivor? How important it is to wear the pink during this holiday and have your girls during this month, and have your girls wear it as well?
It's very important. I mean, you know, it's close. I've lost 4 people in my family personally. I know a number of people who've lost people to breast cancer or to cancer in itself. And I think for us to come together as a community, for us to instill that in the children, to recognize that that's a struggle and that may be a challenge for them, I think it's excellent for us to celebrate it, and to celebrate it at such a young age.
Coach, I appreciate your time so much. Coach Erica, thank you for giving us a couple of minutes. Put the L up with your right hand for me. LJ's TV, one love.